Welcome to my channel. Moroccan oils are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Top 5 Moroccan Oil. Number 1. Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. Formulated for medium to thick, dry hair, Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Mask is a rich and creamy deep conditioner that moisturizes and improves texture. It features a blend of argan oil, linseed extract, and other nourishing ingredients. A 5-minute, deep conditioning mask that revives medium to thick dry hair. Infused with antioxidant-rich argan oil and nourishing ingredients, it improves hair's texture, elasticity, and manageability. Richly hydrates, conditions, and reduces static, with no heat required. Apply to towel-dried hair and comb through. Leave it on for 5-7 minutes. Rinse well. Use 1-2 times weekly. Number 2. Moroccanoil Restorative Hair Mask. Moroccanoil Restorative Hair Mask is a protein-enriched treatment that helps repair damage caused by chemical processing, heat styling, and other everyday stressors. It contains argan oil and shea butter to condition each strand. A protein-rich, restorative hair treatment that helps reconstruct strands damaged by chemical processing or heat styling. Infused with argan oil and shea butter. Nourishes deeply to rebuild hair's strength and restore elasticity. Treats in 5-7 minutes with no heat required. Apply throughout towel, dried hair. Leave it on for 5-7 minutes. Rinse well. Follow with conditioner. Do not overuse. Number 3. Moroccanoil Color Depositing Mask. A dual benefit mask that deposits temporary color while providing the nourishment of a deep conditioning treatment. Use it to play with a new shade or refresh your existing tone. Hibiscus is ideal for creating super tropical, pink floral tones in light colored hair. Apply a generous amount to clean, towel-dried hair. Section hair and distribute evenly using a wide tooth comb. Leave for 5-7 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Note: color results and longevity depend on hair porosity and starting shade. Before committing to a full head of color, conduct a strand test. Apply color depositing mask to a small section of hair. Leave for 2-3 minutes. Rinse. If the color is too subtle, try a second strand and leave it on longer. Number 4. Moroccanoil Weightless Hydrating Mask. A 5-minute, deeply hydrating mask for fine and lighter colored hair. Rich in argan oil and nourishing ingredients to improve hair's texture, elasticity, and manageability. Richly yet weightlessly hydrates, conditions, and reduces static, with no heat required. Apply to the towel, dry hair, and comb through. Leave it on for 5-7 minutes. Rinse well. Use 1-2 times weekly. Number 5. Moroccanoil Body Lotion. A lightweight, fast-absorbing lotion formulated with a blend of moisturizing oils and soothing aloe leaf extract. Fragranced with the signature Moroccanoil scent, a blend of spicy amber and sweet floral notes. Absorbs quickly to leave skin softer, smoother, and more radiant. Apply all over the body until absorbed. Use daily on damp or dry skin. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.